Hello guys, I am your friend Mr. Bacon. My school friends, you will know my voice because you have subscribed. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a successful Scratch clicker game. So first we're going to want to get a sprite. So let's choose a sprite. I'll go with the app. Now let's move him right. No, I want negative. Let's move him to 0, 0. Let's move him to 0, 0, so he's in the very middle of our screen. Now let's choose a backdrop. I'm going to go with heart. Who doesn't love apples? Now, first we're going to want to code the sprite, and since if we want it to be a clicker game, we are going to have to first make it so when we click the sprite, it does the sound and stuff. So first, let's do this. One sec. Okay. So now that we have when this sprite is clicked, let's get. I'm actually not going to do a sound because copyright reasons. All of these really belong to Scratch. Okay, so we're going to want to make a variable right here. Let's call it points for all sprites. Now that we have this points block, I'm just going to delete this variable block. We want to change the points by 1. So then when we click, we get 1 right there. And then when the green flag is clicked, we're going to want to set it to 0. And then and now that we did that, when the green flag, okay, so then let's make it look kind of cool when he gets clicked. So we'll set size to 110. After we get a point, wait 1 second. Let's change that to 0.05 seconds. So it goes kind of like that. Sorry for the sound. And set it back to 100. So it's like that. So then he goes like this. Like that. And then we start it, and points are at 0. Now that we did that, now let's get another sprite. This one, I want to get a banana. Because who doesn't like bananas? Flip horizontally, so then it's facing this way. And since we want it to be a clicker game, and in clicker games, stuff costs an amount of points, let's make, so up here, let's put cost. Actually, let's move it down a little. Okay, I'm gonna have to delete it. Go right here. Cost. Let's do 20 points. You know what? No, let's do 50 points. And then I'll get onto this part later. Reward. Let's do +1 point. So now that we have this, I'm just gonna have to kind of, no, I won't, go here, bring it up a little, bring that down a little. Okay, let me drag the banana over here. Now let's code the banana. So let's do green flag clicked forever if Well, first, I'll do that later. Okay, when the sprite is clicked, if blank, then now we're gonna go over here again, make another variable called, let's just call it more points for all sprites. Now that we have more points, change more point. Okay, so now we're gonna go to operators. Does involve math. We want this one. So since it costs 50, we're gonna keep that like that. But then we're gonna go to variables and put in more points right there. So then we know that we'll get more points. Now we're gonna keep this empty. I did the wrong block. We want if blank, then else. So we want to keep that empty. We go here. We're going to not do a sound because copyright going. Go to no, it's variables. Sorry for all this. So we're gonna change that by. So then if you buy it, it's gonna go -50. And then change. Okay, so we're gonna do points. So then we go like this, right? We click that. I did it wrong, I forgot. Sorry, fellow people. Okay. So now we're gonna go to the green flag. Click that I did earlier. Do a forever loop. Repeat. That's wrong. Sorry for my stuffy nose. And then we do something like this more. This place closed. Did that wrong again. We put points in here. And then we go here. And then we go here. If it is, do that. Go here. Points. And it's kind of like this. Probably like, but bacon, that is gonna know it. That's gonna do the same thing. No, it's not. So then we're gonna do set ghost to 60. I did the wrong block again. I am sorry. Do that. Put that in. And then we go here, clear graphic effects. So then we're gonna do this, ready? Now it's kind of grayed out, like how much clicker games. We gotta get a 50 points. And now we have more. Now our more points is 1. Now if I start it, you're gonna see that more points is still 1. Well, I have a solution to that. Now we're gonna go here. Set more points to 0. And now let's go back to the Apple to code a little more. When the green flag is clicked, we will forever wait 1 second. And then change more. We'll change the points to 1. But we don't want that. So we're gonna get the points one right here. And now that we have that, now wait a minute. Wait a minute. Am I doing this right? I wasn't. To do more points. Because I was like, I don't think I'm doing this right. It's going up to 2,000. Okay. So now that we have 50, we go here. And look. Now it's waiting 1 second for our points to go up. So that is just how you can do one. And something just fell. Meh. Okay. And if you want to add more stuff, I will show you how to add one more thing. And then when you see this video, you'll be all set. So what should I choose? I think I'm gonna go. Okay, that's scary. Let's do a slice of watermelon. Now, I'm asking the viewer this. What size should it be? What? Let's try 150. Is that good? Yeah, that's good. We're just gonna have to shrink the words a little. So I'm gonna make this piece of watermelon right here worth. So let's do 70. Points. Now that we have that open, let's go down here. First, we shall shrink it because that's pretty high, pretty tall. Okay. Don't know why I said tall. It's just so big. Okay, now we do this. We do reward plus, not equals, plus 7 points. So now that we have that at 7 points, now you're probably thinking, wait, are we gonna have to do the code all over again? That's gonna take so long, though it's not really, because this is just baby code. But if you wanna save time, then you drag the code to the sprite you want to use. So now that we have it in here, now you might be thinking, but then they're gonna both cost 50 points because of this and that. Well, we could change that. You see, now we do 70, 70, negative 70, and then put in what you want for more points, which I want 7. So now, look, now they're both like that. And when we have enough points, then we can buy the stuff that we want to buy. That will be the end of this video. You want to add more stuff, feel free to do that. This is just a little project that I learned how to make at school. I also use the exact same sprites. Just don't ask why, and the exact same code, because that's really the only way it works. And also the same backdrop. But it was a project that I learned at school on my laptop. So if you like this video, please subscribe.